With the power to transform digital designs into physical objects, 3D printers are reshaping industries around the globe. This technology can empower creators and unlock endless possibilities for design, manufacturing, and beyond. With the popularity of 3D printing continuing to rise, it is essential to understand the importance of safety measures that should be implemented when operating 3D printers. Most 3D printers use a special type of plastic, referred to as thermoplastics, to print physical products. These materials are plastic polymers that become soft and moldable when heated, and then solidify when cooled. However, depending on the type of thermoplastic that is heated within the printer, certain amounts of potentially harmful substances can be released into the air. Ultrafine particles, also known as UFPs, and volatile organic compounds, also known as VOCs, are generated during this heating process and can affect the overall air quality in the workspace. These emissions can cause multiple health issues such as dizziness, headaches, respiratory problems, among others. Due to the possibility of these contaminants, safety measures should always be taken when operating 3D printers. Dedicated ventilation systems. Enclosures. Personal protective equipment, along with appropriate training and education, are some examples of safety measures that can be implemented to prioritize the safety of both the operator and the surrounding environment. Environmental health and safety can also perform an assessment of your 3D printer workspace to develop specific protocols to mitigate any potential risks. For more information on 3D printer safety, contact Environmental Health and Safety.